Hi, I'm Amelia Smith, a professional stylist, and I'm going to show you how to use a hair clip. For this clip, you will need a hair clip and your styling comb. The hair clip I'm using today is one that you can find in pretty much any drugstore, dollar store, or beauty supply store. It's just the kind that's got the two little prongs that you push and just pops right open. Basically, what you're going to want to do is grab your hair, figure out where you want it to go. With one like that, I think those usually work best on the top of the hair, not so much on the side, or if you're taking like a little ponytail in the back, something like that. So you're going to want to just grab your section of hair, comb it out, make sure it's nice and even, so you don't look like you just rolled out of bed. You can do a little teasing if you want, make it a little bit fancier. And I like to twist the hair just a bit where I'm going to be putting that clip. That seems to kind of converge all those strands together so you don't have them flying all over the place, and it gives you a little bit more control. Then you're going to push your head down, take this clip, put it underneath all those nice converged strands, and make sure that you're pulling in some of the hair from underneath it. So I'm just going in under here, find the bottom of the barrette, and just connect it. And then what you can do is kind of reposition it a little bit. And that way you've got a little bit of volume, but you've got your hair barrette in there. And that's how you use a hair barrette.